Who's selling it?
The Horizon RV Center in Lake Park, Georgia. So they have a showcase camper. We're gonna go take a tour.
Let's take a tour.
Ruth said we're gonna want this camper.
Man, I want it already.
Wow. Oh yeah. Yep.
Love that smell of RV.
Man.
Yeah.
They even have a fireplace.
This is so cute. Look at these little pillows.
Is this a oh, that's right. This is not destination trade. This is a regular fifth wheel.
Oh, it's got your front living.
I know.
Ooh.
It's like that. This is like a home.
Hey, we have to
I love it.
bed.
I love it. What is it? This is the bedroom, right? What is
I
this?
think the bed comes down.
Oh, that's pretty slick.
Okay, guys.
All right, hold on. Now you got something to do it.
Oh, and here's a little loft area.
And I
Half bath. That's pretty cool. Awesome. Oh yeah, this is perfect. This is perfect. This is absolutely. What model is this? I want this for real.
come on in. I'll show you the kitchen and the bathroom and the bedroom. And there's a bathroom too. Come in. It's it. You have. You're walking. If you're tired of playing and buying trash bags, what?
Yeah, come through the trash bin. You probably could cut your food on your cutting board and just go whoop.
Yep.
Very nice.
Now see, what I don't like is, I don't like campers where your living room and kitchen is like the same area. I don't like that. But I like this rig because you have 2 bedrooms. And that's kind of like, that's what we do have right now. But this is like a nice, this is like a, I mean, a really nice bedroom. And you can fold the bed up and have a living area. This
And then there's a loft up here.
Yep, and there's a loft. You guys can have your own living
You have a
area.
little desk.
Yep. Mm-hmm. So you can do your schoolwork.
Mm-hmm.
So I like this rig. It's just that I don't like the kitchen and living room area in the same room. I don't like that.
Yes.
Yeah, you like the chair?
Does it have massage on it?
No.
I get a massage on my back.
No, this don't have no massage.
Hold on, over Sarah there. Let me get you a picture.
It just moves back and forth.
Yeah, I want to do it too.
Wait, I need to plug this up.
Wow. I like it because it's still more room.
Yeah, it's a lot of room. I mean, you got everything. You got everything you need. Everything that we like, it's
Look
here.
at this gas stove. They have a gas stove. Oh, here's the price. Here's the price.
Uh-oh. What's damage? What damage? 150?
Woo!
How much? Boo?
Well, okay, so this is MSRP. The MSRP base price without the options, no king mattress and all this other stuff. You want all the options. 138 MSRP.
That's not bad.
Which that's about right.
Yeah.
I feel like they probably gonna make it like 119, 120, and that's about right. For especially what you're getting for a 2-bedroom.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this.
I think it's, yeah.
This is real. This is real
I
tile.
think it's worth the price.
This is real tile.
But that's without the.
You get a real propane gas stove. Look how big this microwave is.
We don't
Convection.
we don't have a propane stove
No.
in our camper.
Oh yeah, that's right.
What
But
are
it
you
don't look like this.
No, it don't look like that, but
I mean, like, this is legit. Like, there's 4 burners. Oh, no, there's only 3.
Yeah. I mean, the oven is nice. I mean, it's nicer than our
This
oven.
is nice.
Yeah.
The fireplace is a real fireplace insert, like what you would have at your house
Yeah.
with the trim and everything.
Yeah, it's nice.
It actually comes with a Murphy closet. How did we miss this?
Feels like home in here. That's for sure. I can say that. It feels like home. I could definitely do some
Like, the only thing I don't like is this
full
like,
time in here.
wood, like this wood trim, which I know that's what they were trying to go for, because it's a Cedar Creek.
Yeah,
I like it.
I like it too. Cause that, I mean, that's it though.
But
You know what I'm saying?
to me, it feels like unfinished. Like,
What do you mean?
I don't like the stain of it. The stain of it.
For lack of stain, maybe?
Yeah.
Maybe
it's
the lack of stain.
unfinished to me. Like, I could go and cut this wood
Yeah, and put it up there.
and put it up there.
Yeah.
But I love this.
Yeah. Oh, and this comes out too, doesn't it? Does it? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Alright, take these.
I like it. Ruth was right. And the
What's
bathroom, baby. The
Oh, I
bathroom.
know.
Go on up there.
I know. I couldn't believe it. One, you get a king bed.
Mm-hmm.
This is a weird spot for the TV, though.
You think so?
Because only one
One-
person can kind of, this
See
is
it?
in a way.
Yeah.
But I get why they did that, because then you get all this cabinet space.
What is? Oh.
It's a vacuum. It come with a Dyson?
Dang.
Wait, what?
A
Come with a
Dyson.
vacuum.
I don't think it's a Dyson, though. South Bend. That's what it looked like. Yeah, you get so much force in the store. Oh, there's your Wi-Fi extender.
Mm-hmm.
Says it's 5G ready.
Word.
That's probably one of those extra features you won't want to have.
And this
Being like,
bathroom.
look at the washer and dryer.
Man.
And this is a big space.
Yes, that is. That is a big space.
For a washer and dryer, you hang some stuff up. Hold on.
For the statue. I'm taking a shower.
I mean, I am like kind of slimming down, but it'll get the job done.
Don't sit on that, boo.
That was a bit. Oh!
Oh,
I think they working with something. And this is a real shower. Hold on. You get a little hydrojet while you in here.
Get all the nooks and crannies.
Right. All them crevices. Can't. This is sweet.
Yeah, it is.
You get your own sink.
Yes.
I don't have to fool with your area.
Yeah. Seem a little bit too enthused about that.
He knows why. This is so nice. Let us know what you think.